made over $1,000 and all I had to do is copy some text, paste it into this absolutely free software and go to www. This works for everyone around the world and it's one of the easiest ways to make money online since there is no selling, no affiliate marketing, no social media followers needed and no previous experience required because you just need to copy and paste some text. And those that stay until the end of this video will be able to make a lot more money because I will be showing you 3 additional websites from which you can get paid. But before that, let's show some support for this guy. He has some really great make money online content, but he's really struggling to grow, so make sure to watch some of his videos and subscribe to his channel. I will leave a link to it in the description down below. He's also doing some giveaways in his videos and has announced a big one as soon as his channel hits 150k subs, so definitely don't forget to support his channel. Once again, that's gonna be the first link down below. Alright, so let us begin right here so I can show you how you can use Google with one more absolutely free tool in order to get paid again and again, in order to make big money online quickly. So all of this will quite literally require a lot less than 30 minutes if you follow all of the steps from this video. And in case PayPal is not available in your country or you don't want to use PayPal, then I will show you how you can select other payment options as well. So if you don't want to get paid through PayPal, you can select different payment options like a bank transfer, Payoneer, Bitcoin, etc. But anyways, let us begin with step number 1. Step number 1, come over to google.com. Step number 2, now you want to search for Google News. So go to the search bar and search for Google News. Once you search for Google News, I want you to open up the first and official website at news.google.com. This is the place where you can find the latest news and latest articles on all the topics around the world. So it's like, as the title of the website says, it's a newspaper, so you can find everything on here. News about politics, about business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, whatever you can think of, you can find it over on this website. Now, how will this actually make you money? How will this get you free PayPal money? Well, stay tuned and you will see exactly how this works. Now, as I said, here on the left hand side, you have all the different categories. You have news about a world, what's happening in the world right now. You have your own local news, which is something that we will not focus at all. You simply want to focus only on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and mostly health. You can see, for example, if I select the health category here on the left hand side, that's gonna give me all of the latest news and all of the latest articles related to health. So let's scroll and let's find something interesting on here. So maybe the best breakfast to eat if you're trying to lose weight. This was posted 10 hours ago and it's a really good article that a lot of people would click on. So what you need to do is you just need to open up one of those articles. So just find something that's interesting and that you think people would be interested in reading and just open it up. Click on that and don't worry, you will not have to write articles, don't worry, you will not have to sell anything, and don't worry because this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or whatsoever. All you literally need to do is open up that article and you just want to start copying text from that particular article. For example, I will copy this right here. I will copy that and I will proceed to the step number 3 and to the third website that we will be using, which is called spinbot.com. So this is over at the spinbot.com. Here you will need to paste that article which you found with Google News, and Spinbot will rewrite that article for you. So you can have that entire article in your own words, which means that way it becomes completely unique and you can use it for your own purposes. And the way you will be using those articles, which you change with spinbot.com, is you will be using them on 3 more additional websites, which I'm gonna share with you. They will pay you for those articles. Some of them are literally gonna pay you $1 per word, and as you can see, those articles have sometimes thousands of words words, and you can just do the math and see exactly how much money can be made with this strategy. Anyways, once you find the article, just paste that text in this box right here, then scroll a little bit down, click I'm not a robot, and you will just need to click go right here. Now that's gonna rewrite the entire article for you. As you can see, the context is pretty much the same, but it's using different words. It's using synonyms and it's rewriting it in your own words. As you can see, buttery toast with a glass of mixed fruit juice may sound like a delicious breakfast. Here it's gonna say, instead of delicious, it's gonna say delectable breakfast alternative, and so on and so forth. So it's changing words, so the article becomes completely unique to you. So you can copy that unique and rewritten article, you can copy that text, and you can use the next 3 websites to get paid for those articles. First website that we will be using is called eatingwell.com. So on eatingwell.com, you can submit your own articles. You can write articles for these guys and get paid for doing that. But now, instead of you doing all of the hard work of writing those articles for days, if not even weeks, you can simply use Google News and Spinbot to create unique and high quality articles. And these guys will pay you up to $1 per word. This is the first website. I have 2 more for you. So just on this website, you can get paid up to $1 per word, which means if you get an article that's 1,000 words, that can be $1,000 for that article, and all it took for you was less than 30 minutes of copy pasting. Now, how do you actually submit your article so you can get paid? Well, here on this page, you will just need to scroll a little bit down until you can find this section where you can find their contact info. So you can just copy their email address, go to your email, and just email them with a subject line telling submission or article submission or something along those lines, and just attach the file with your own article which you created with spinbot.com. And once you send out that email, they will review it, and if they like it, they will ask you for your payment details, and you will tell them if you want to get paid through PayPal, you will tell them my PayPal email address is, and then leave your PayPal email address. If you want to get paid through bank transfer, just leave them your bank info so they can pay you. And the same goes for any other payment option. And your options are endless because there are new articles on Google News coming in every couple of hours. So you can use all of those thousands and thousands of articles, rewrite them with spinbot.com, paste them into some Word document, or just save them on your computer and submit to these websites. So the first one where you can submit your article is eatingwell.com, but you can also submit your articles on sierraclub.org. This is over at the sierraclub.org. In order to submit your articles with sierraclub.com is you just, as you can see, you have these instructions over here. You simply need to email them at this email right here. So you can copy this. Once again, go over to your email, paste the contact details here, and the subject line, just type in submission and just submit your article. Now, with sierraclub.org, you will not be able to submit health and fitness articles like you did with eatingwell.com, but you will need to find something related to technology or science. So those 2 categories are for sierra.com. So just find some article with between, for example, science, open it up, copy its text, paste it into spinbot.com, let it rewrite for you, and just submit it over to here, submit it to their email address. The third and the last website where you can submit your articles is over at the daily.jstor.org. You can go over to their submission guidelines, you can read more about how it works, and these guys will pay you a little bit less money, but it's still a good one to use because you can earn some additional income from this and maximize your results with this strategy. The great thing about this website is that they will ask you only for up to 2,000 words article, and they will pay you around 31 cents per each word. So it's not as high as the previous 2 websites, but it's still decent. 31 cents on average, 31 cents per word. It's not bad at all because it will quickly add up. The more articles you submit on these websites, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every single article will get accepted, but even if you get 1 article per day accepted, that's still hundreds, if not up to $1,000 a day just by copy and pasting. It was all absolutely free, and you don't have to wait around. You can immediately get started with the strategy because, once again, let's summarize this. You need to go over to Google, go to Google News, select some of these categories from the left hand side, select the article you like, select something that you think people will be interested in reading and that you think those publishers will accept. Just Open up that article, copy its text, use Spinbot to make it unique, and submit it. You can do this again and again for basically unlimited time and collect some decent amount of money. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.